What is going on, YouTube? This is
SeasonfunHD.
and I'm just his brother. We're gonna play some white noise. Here we go. Right?
Yes, and this is on an Xbox.
Alright, run. Pick up. This guy can't even. This is a bit creepy.
Yeah. I don't know.
This guy walks so slow. He walks slower than you.
I wish I could run. I do not run slow.
Yes, he does. See, look, he barely runs.
Well, try to make him run.
Jeez.
What do you think the monster is or whatever? Oh wait, this is Slender? No.
No, it's white noise.
Wait, oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Jesus. Of course, everything has to take place in woods.
Yeah,
It's
and night.
beautiful.
It's like Slender. The trees, the sky.
Alright. It's always in woods.
But then it's not drumming in the sky.
Oh, there might be a tape recorder. Weird. Here we go. We're walking on a platform. There's a big rock in the way.
Okay.
I'm gonna look back. He's gonna be right there. Oh no, I'm gonna turn the other way. He's gonna be right there.
Okay, don't turn around all the time. That will make it, you know.
Oh, what is that? What is that?
That means he's around you. Don't look behind. Just keep on walking straight.
Oh, jeez.
You mean cheese? Yes.
Yeah.
No.
Oh,
What's that?
that's a river. I found water. I found civilization.
Try to see if there's fish in it.
There are rocks. How's water coming up like that? Ooh, ooh.
I heard thunder. That's not good.
No, I'm not gonna look behind me. I'm a man. Well, actually, I'm not a man.
Okay,
I'm
fine. If you're a man, do not scream like a woman once he finds you.
He's gonna be behind me. He's gonna be behind me.
What's the guy look like?
He's a creepy dude. He's like a monster.
Well, I'm gonna turn away now. I thought it would be Slender.
Pussy, let's go.
I'm not looking away. I'm staring directly at the big rock-shaped trunk. Oh,
It's
it's
a tray trunk. Get it right. Man, I still haven't found it.
I will get it right. Look, ew. Those are scary.
They're my slaves. I get them.
Wait, they could be a monster.
They're not a monster. Looks like Jimi Hendrix,
True.
but with breasts and a weird formation.
And a dog.
Alright, I'm gonna die in like first 2 minutes.
Feel free. If you get scared, you can scream as well.
Yeah, totally. I'm a man. I'm a man. Yeah, sure is. Nice quality. Look at this quality. Man, I'm look. Oh my god, that scared the living balls out of me. Oh my god, the controller vibrated too.
Well, that's the scariest thing. The controller.
Alright, so you move with the left stick. Yes, you're gonna play.
After you do one run, you haven't even completed a round, so you.
I haven't gotten the tape recorder yet.
Now you finish.
Yeah, you did your voice. Ooh.
Finish this round.
I mean, try and get tape recorders your guy.
Yep.
Jeez. Oh my god, he's right there. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
You mean
ooh,
Jesus
ooh,
Christ.
Ooh, Jesus, help me. I have not been baptized. Is this your punishment?
If he kills you, you'll go to hell. Not heaven.
Yeah, just turn my flashlight off.
Why?
Because then he can't find me. He's probably attracted to the light. The light.
You'll pop up. Okay, now you're scaring the living
But Jesus.
out of me.
Oh, there's a tape recorder, yes. I've completed my mission.
Walk faster.
This guy is not. He's super tired. How do I pick up things? Oh, there we go.
What, an 8? You're kidding me?
Yeah, I know, right? I suck.
stuck.
Look at the beautiful sky.
Oh, you're on
walking
a
on a road. I'll probably get run over by a car.
That would be funny if there was a car and the guy was driving it.
Yeah, that'd be weird.
I hear cars.
Yeah, that's our window.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Alright, let's do this.
Okay, guys, so,
You don't have to whisper everything to me.
okay. Oh god, okay,
Let's go.
there was a guy just screaming. Are you sure you want to go?
Hello? Were you raped?
Well, you heard him scream, so...
We must be in the jail. This is the torture. Oh my god. Oh my god. This guy is like freaking super fat. Can't even walk. I should just like put him on steroids.
Steroids?
There's another tape recorder.
Oh, move it!
I'm trying. Ta-da! You don't have to whisper, just say it.
Okay, well, guys, so I'm SeasonfunHD, and my other videos, what you might have seen or you might not.
Yep.
So if you, so if you, seen my videos, soon they might come off when I do a lot more of this stuff. My old videos will come off, so if you want to watch them, here's a chance, because they're going to be gone.